Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a product that's been making the rounds online, a retro gaming console called Cozy Gloom. It's being sold through a website called CozyGloom.shop, and it's marketed as this all-in-one emulation system loaded with over 114,000 games from 200-plus consoles. Sounds like the ultimate gaming deal, right? NES, SNES, PS1, PS2, even some newer stuff, all for less than the price of a single game. But before you get too excited, there are a few things you really need to know. The first red flag is the website itself. There's no About Us page, no company information, and no contact details for customer support. That's a huge warning sign. If you're handing over your money for a tech product, you should at least know who you're buying from and how to reach them if something goes wrong. Next, let's talk about the product. They claim it's a plug-and-play console, but there's zero information on what hardware it uses. No specs, no processor details, no RAM, nothing. It's like buying a computer and not knowing what's inside. Some users who received it say it's not even a real console, just an external hard drive full of pirated games that only works when plugged into a PC. And about those glowing reviews on their site? They don't match what we found elsewhere. Trustpilot only has one review. And it's bad. On TikTok, their videos look great, but the comment sections tell a different story. Some people never received their orders. Others say it's a scam. Reddit users even claim the site copied its content from another sketchy seller. So, is Cozy Gloom legit? Honestly, it looks more like a misleading product wrapped in clever marketing. If you're serious about retro gaming, it's probably better to look elsewhere. Stay smart and shop safe.